Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you have all noticed, Dow Jones Industrial took a nosedive from February 12th height to March the 23rd low. In just 27 trading days, it dropped a fantastic 38.22%. So my question is, how many percentage rebound do we need for Dow Jones to return to its pre-drop height? It is at about 29,669 points. The short answer is, it is not 38.22%. You will find out the answer shortly in this video coming up. So please give a like and comment before I start the video to support my channel and to help with the YouTube algorithm. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will not miss any future videos from this channel. I'm a stock trader as well as a long-term dividend investor. I produce 2 to 3 videos in a week to talk about stock market investment and personal finance related issues. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. Stock market is very volatile these days. Since February the 13th, the stock market dropped like a rock. Dow Jones Industrial blew past the strong support level 1, 2, and 3 to all the way down to March the 23rd at 18,329 points only. Of course, we have another strong support here at around 15,729 points. But we're not going there yet. Within 12 trading days, it reversed about 28% from this point at 18,329 to today's level at 23,433. We're sitting right at the resistance level previously set around 2018, May and February. And then we have another resistance level up here around May 31st, 2019. At this point of time, it is very hard to predict the direction of our stock market. If it's successfully crossed this resistance line and near this one, then we can probably call the stock market just hit the double bottom. I just made a video yesterday talking about did our stock market hit the double bottom. You can take a look if you're interested. It's a technical analysis about the trend lines and then the stock charts. At this point of time, we have too many moving parts. Although the MACD, RSI, volume, and momentum all point that our stock market will have a short-term rebound. But after that, we have hard time to predict whether or not it will hit nosedive again. And also on the other hand, recently on March the 20th, we just hit a death cross. For those of you who doesn't know death cross, it is a technical term when the 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day moving average, make the 200-day moving average above the 50-day moving average. When it crossed, it means the short-term bearish market performance. It can cross back again, but it will take time. I just don't see the stock market will have rapid sessions to return to the bull market. It will take time to cross back again. At that time, we will call it a golden cross. Fortunately, in today's video, we're not going to talk about the future of our stock market. The title of this video is, if we dropped 38% for Dow Jones Industrial, how many percentage we need to return to its pre-drop level, close to 30,000 point level. So for easy calculation purpose, I just assumed the pre-market drop was at 30,000. So the market dropped 38%. Based on the 30,000 points pre-drop, we dropped actually 11,400 points. Minus from that 30,000, our current level is at 18,600. So if we have a rebound of exactly 38%, it will no longer be based on the 30,000 anymore. It will be based on the current level at 18,600. So times 38%, it only come up with 7,068 points. If you add it with the current level at 18,600, it only comes up total of 25,668 points. So it is about 4,332 points short from the 30,000 level. So what is exactly the percentage we need for the stock market to rebound to exactly the pre-drop level at 30,000? I create a formula for you to calculate. It is very simple. So I created this formula. It's kind of simple. 18,600 times 38%, which we get this amount, 7,068, plus the current level at 16,600, plus the percentage that we're short, times the current level at 18,600, equals the level you want to reach to, which is 30,000. So you just do a little bit adding and minus. 30,000 minus 25,668, which is this number, plus this number. You just move to this side. After minus, you get a 4,332, exactly like this number here, divided by current level at 18,600. It comes up with the percentage that we're short to reach to 30,000, which is 23.29%. So the total percentage you will need for the current market to return to the pre-drop level at 30,000, you actually need a 38% plus 23.29%, a whopping of 61.29% for you to return to the level. So you can calculate the current level 18,600 times 61.29% equals 11,399.94. If we round it up, is 11,400. If you plus 11,400, it will come up exactly 30,000. So just remind you, we calculated before the drop from this 30,000 times 38% is 11,400, and then that's exactly 11,400. That makes you wonder how much percentage each drop it will come up to return to the previous level. It's very, very harsh. It's almost like how much percentage more you have to get, 23.29% more. That is very, very astonishing. So use the same formula. You can calculate your portfolio. For example, you can assume this 30,000 is your portfolio level, or whatever the portfolio level it was. Let's say 100,000 or 10,000. You use the same formula, you can get how much percentage you will need to return to your pre-drop level, cash level. I can tell you a hint. It's exactly 61.29% if your portfolio also dropped 38%. If it is not, you can just use this simple formula as a guideline. You can just plug in the percentage you actual drop. For example, you dropped only 25% or 20%, then you can use this formula to get what exactly the percentage you will need for your portfolio to return to its pre-drop level. If we return to this stock chart, you can see we rebounded from this level to this level about 28% in 12 trading days. We actually need another 33.29% a total of 61.29% to reach pre-drop level at the Dow Jones close to 30,000. So you can see we're not even halfway there yet. So that's a brutal truth about the stock market dropping. It's not that simple. You drop 38% and you return another 38%. No, you have to return from the lowest level, about 61.29% in our case. That's a brutal truth about the stock market. If you like today's video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video with whoever you think will be benefit from today's video. And also do not forget to smash that notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when my new video comes out. Thank you.